Welcome back to Africa Sermon Central. Ngina sisinontobeko waseNtondozi Church of the Nazarene. Bangitshelile ke labatsandza ukungitshela ukuthi ngumholi walabasha lona eNtondozi. Siyakwamukela sisi unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila. Akude lokutheni sifuna ukukwati nje sifuna kwathi your highlight of iCamp ya 2025 nayo ho waseNazarene. What would you say?
Kumnanzi la. That's one thing I can say. Tifundvo, they take litinfo lesihlangabetana nato, and my sermons, they are on point. Ngulungulu ukhona kumnanzi la.
Nembala. As usasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona umnandi. Have you picked up something nje sisachubeka neCamp?
Yes, I have.
Okay, ngicela ukubuta nje what have you picked? Give me a book in the Bible that starts with the letter M.
Mark.
The book in the Bible that starts with the letter Z.
Zachariah. Yes.
Etsini ingoma leng number 4 ezokudumisa.
Uthando lukaNkulunkulu.
120 page 120 utsini.
Bungcwele kuJehova. Sibizelwe bungcweleni bandla lenkosi sithengwe nguJesu ngeka.
Ngiyabonga sisinontombeko kutaze kwehle ikhuma al-Ezea bese sengiyaprostaya lana. Thank you for joining us at Africa Sermon.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share the pages. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Siswam.